Hello my dear students, welcome back everyone for the maths online classes for KCET. So today let us start the topic trigonometry, okay, which is of class 11. Okay, again this concept also we will take two classes, today one class and again next concept will be in the next class, that is tomorrow. Okay, let us start the trigonometry with that concept. Okay, before as I am keep on telling that before solving the problems you need to revise the concept. Again today also I will send the concept PDF that you prepare and read the formulas and remember. See, based on that we are going to solve the problems, and for the assignment also you need to read that concept and again once you solve the problems which we are doing now. Okay, so starting with the topic angles. Okay, as we know that in trigonometry we have angles and trigonometric ratios and trigonometric identities, and again properties we have. Okay, and then finding the solutions, and then next part in class 12, that is inverse trigonometric functions. But as we are doing first year topics, today and tomorrow we will complete the topic of trigonometry only. Okay, now you see the concept in these angles and trigonometric ratios. We have the formulas like concept like including angle itself. You need to remember what do you mean by right angle, acute angle and all those, and in that initial position, final position, angle from which direction we should consider as positive angle, negative angle, all the data will be there here. I will send the PDF, you can refer that. And again while measuring that angles, which type of systems we have, sexagesimal system we have, and again here you can refer centesimal system and again circular measure. Okay, or not sexagesimal system and centesimal system. In this centesimal system we will read in terms of grades. In sexagesimal system we will read in terms of degrees, and again another one will be there, that is radians. Radians is nothing but pi radians, 2 pi radians, 2 pi by 3 radians. Okay, in terms of that we will find, you know that pi radians in terms of degrees is 180 degrees. Okay, and again we know that L equal to r theta formula. Here L represents length of an arc, r represents radius of that, like as we will consider as pendulums in the formulas. Okay, theta represents the angle between these two sides. For that formula is L equal to r theta. Okay, and again see, if you observe trigonometry itself will be there. You have an n number of formulas will be there, right? Okay, in notes so many data regarding that formulas and angles I have given. Once you refer those, see, if you observe here how to convert radians into degrees, degrees into radians, that the data is also there. And again here trigonometric ratios, nothing but sin theta, cos theta, and by using this triangle their sides and hypotenuse base, based on that we have formula. For that shortcut also we have OAO HHA. Okay, that you can remember. And again 3 trigonometric identities we have, that is here sin square theta plus cos square theta, secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1, cosecant square theta minus cos square theta is equal to 1. Okay, and again extreme values of sin and cos, nothing but sin and cos, that maximum and minimum values is in between -1 to 1 only. Okay, maximum value is 1 and minimum value is 1. And again here for secant, cosecant also given, and again in which quadrant which are positive, all silver teacups we have considered first quadrant, second quadrant, which are positive, those are also you need to remember. Here if you observe they have given the values of sin, cos, tan, 0 degrees, 30, 45, 60 and 90. Okay, you should maintain the notes properly whenever you are going to solve the MCQs. See, here they have given only 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. Not only those, in notes we have solved so many trigonometric values, like see here they are given like see sin 15 degrees, that is also almost equal to cos 75 degrees. Why? Because sin 15 we can also write like sin 90 minus 75. 90 minus theta is also equal to cos theta. So it will be equal to cos 75 degrees. So this is the value we need to find. See how to find this cos 75 degrees also we have discussed, that is like cos 45 plus 30. Okay, like that we can find. And again you need to remember cos 15, tan 15, cot 15, sin 18, cos 18, sin 36, cos 36. And again by using these 36 values and again 18 degrees values we can find 72 degrees also. Okay, and again 54 degrees also. See how to find. Forget about all those. Why? Because here we are not going to prove that. So for that, meanwhile you remember all these values. Okay, now next, see sine of minus theta is minus sine theta, cos of minus theta is cos theta. See these we will consider as even angle, these we will consider as odd angle. Why? Because it will give negative. And again 270 minus means what will get positive or negative based on the quadrants we will consider, right? Okay, now so these are the main important formulas you need to remember. See here, sine of a plus b, sine of a minus b, cos of a plus b, cos of a minus b, and again tan of a plus b, tan of a minus b, cot of a plus b and cot of a minus b. And again these formulas also you need to remember. Sin square a minus sin square b, cos square b minus cos square a. That means whenever we have same trigonometric functions, sin sin, cos cos, the formula will be sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b. Okay, here it may be b, here it may be a, here it may be a, here it may be b. But whenever we have same trigonometric functions, sin will get. See, if we have different terms like cos square a minus sin square b or cos square b minus sin square a, we will get cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b. These two also you need to remember. Okay, and then next these formulas also in first year so many times you have discussed, like sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b and again sin a plus sin b. So these are all important formulas you need to remember, and based on that we are going to solve problems. And now here if you observe, and again tan 2a formulas, okay, sin 3a, cos 3a, tan 3a, and again so many formulas we have written based on see here they are given. Sin 2a means 2 sin a cos a. Okay, once again you revise all the formulas before watching this video and before solving the problems based on trigonometry. Okay, now after this concept I have selected some 20 important models for KCET of trigonometry. Based on that I have selected some 20 different types of questions that we will solve now, and in tomorrow's class, okay, I will tell some shortcuts for another different models. Okay, in this based on the formulas we will do, tomorrow we will discuss shortcut. Okay, now see the question number 1. In trigonometry, if you observe that first year textbook in first exercise it will be there. If a wheel makes 120 revolutions, based on these also they may ask questions. Okay, if a wheel makes 120 revolutions in 1 minute, then the angle in radians covered by the wheel in 20 seconds is, in 2 seconds is. See here, a wheel makes 120 revolutions in 1 minute. We know that one revolution means what? We know that one revolution, one complete revolution means 360 degrees or nothing but 2 pi. But here how many revolutions it is doing? 120 revolutions. That means one revolution is equal to 2 pi radians, we know. Then 120 revolutions means what? 120 revolutions is equal to 120 into 2 pi. Now but what they are asking? They are asking in 1 minute, then the angle in radians they are asking in 1 minute. Okay, this is all in terms of 1 minute we need to find. So 120 revolutions in terms of radians means, so we need to do 120 into 2 pi divided by 60. Why? Because they are asking in terms of seconds. So they said 120 revolutions in 1 minute. So 1 minute we will have 60 seconds. So 120 into 2 pi by 60. So 0 0 cancel, 6 1 6 2 is nothing but 4 pi. So this is for 1 second, right? Okay, 120 revolution means 120 into 2 pi, but 120 in 1 minute now, but we are going to find seconds. So for how to convert minute into seconds, divided by 60. So for 1 second we got 4 pi. Therefore, as they are asking for 2 seconds, okay, for 2 seconds it will be 2 into 4 pi, which is equal to 8 pi. Okay, see this. Next, question number 2. A pendulum 24 meters long swings through an angle of 15 degrees. The area of the sector swept by the pendulum is, see, for example, if it is a pendulum, a pendulum 24 meters long, okay, this length they have given 24 meters long, swings through an angle of 15 degrees. Okay, this is 15 degrees, nothing but as they given pendulum length. Pendulum length means what? They given R value. Previously we have discussed L equal to R theta formula. Length, this will consider as L. Length of an arc is equal to R into theta. So here R represents pendulum length. That means here R value they have given, that is 24 meters, and theta they have given, that is 15 degrees. Now whenever they given data like this, they may ask length of an arc. Otherwise, see here the area of the sector they are asking. By using these values, they may ask length of the arc, otherwise area of sector also. We know that area of a sector, for example, if it is a circle, when we are going to find area of this sector formula, that formula A is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. Okay, you know that. Now here what is theta? Theta is 15 degrees. So 15 by 360 into pi r square, pi into r square. What is r square? Radius value 24. So it will be 24 into 24. If you simplify, we will get like, see here, this is a 2 12s, okay, 2 180, and again 2 6, 290, 6 1, 6 15s, 15 ones, 15 cancel, we will get 24 pi, okay, units. So like this we need to find. See here pendulum length is nothing but we need to consider this as R value. Angle means that we should consider as theta. If they ask length of an arc means L equal to R theta formula, directly 24 into pi we can find. Nothing but 24 into pi means 15 degrees. In terms of radians we need to find. In terms of radian means 15 into pi by 180. Like that we can find. This is in terms of L. But here they are asked area. Area means A is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square we can find. Next question. If the angles of a triangle are in AP, nothing but arithmetic progression, and the greatest angle is double the least, then the angles in degrees are. See students, here if you observe, they said angles of a triangle are in AP. The greatest angle is double the least, then the angles in degrees are. See here if we consider like if the angles of a triangle are in AP. AP means we can write like those angles are A minus D comma A comma A plus D. Here D represents common difference. If these are the angles in AP, then what they are telling, the greatest angle is double the least. What is the greatest angle here? A plus D it will be. Okay, greatest angle is double the least. Double the least means what? 2 times of least value. What is least value? A minus D. Now based on these two conditions we need to find what are the angles. Now as they are telling, the angles are in AP. Okay, A minus D and A plus D. But we know that angles of a triangle means what? Sum of the all angles is equal to 180. So that means A minus D plus A plus and A plus D, which is equal to 180 degrees. I will consider D and D cancel. Here we will get 3A is equal to 180 degrees. That means A is equal to 60 degrees. So according to first okay, sorry, according to first condition we got A is equal to 60 degrees. Next, according to second condition, this is greatest angle is double the least. A plus d is equal to 2 into a minus d. Here I will substitute the value of a. So this is 60 degrees plus d is equal to 2 into 60 minus d, which is equal to 60 plus d is equal to 120 minus 2d. D I will bring here, it will become 3d is equal to 120 minus 60, nothing but 60, d is equal to 20 degrees. Now we got a value 60 and d value 20. Now what will be the angles? Substitute here, these are only the angles now. So a minus d, nothing but 60 minus 20, which is equal to 40 degrees is first angle. Next a value 60 degrees is second angle, and a plus d, nothing but 60 plus 20, 80 degrees. So these are the angles. Okay. Whenever they said these are in AP or GP, based on that we need to consider. If they given instead of AP, if they given GP means, okay, A by R into A into AR, like that we need to take condition. And remember the second condition, based on those two we can find A value and D value. Here in AP we will find D value. In GP, if they given means, we will find R value. Based on those two we will find the given required angles. Okay. Next question. If tan theta is equal to minus 4 by 4, then sin theta is equal to. Okay, you may consider this as very easy question, as it is very easy question only, but these type of questions also they may ask. They given tan theta equal to minus 4 by 3, they are asking sin theta. As we know that by using a triangle method we can find the values. As it is theta, they have given tan. Tan we know that according to OAO HHA, tan is nothing but opposite by adjacent. So this is 4 and this is 3 automatically. Okay, 4 and this is 3, this will be equal to 5. Then sin we know opposite by hypotenuse. Okay, opposite by hypotenuse, it will be equal to 4 by 5. Okay, sin theta value 4 by 5. Whether it is negative or positive, how to conclude? As tan is negative, in which quadrant actually tan is negative? Okay, in which quadrant actually tan is negative? Second quadrant and fourth quadrant tan is negative, right? So that means it may be in second, theta may be in second quadrant or third quadrant. As if it is second quadrant, sin theta will be positive. If it is positive, in that case we should consider 4 by 5. If we should consider as in a fourth quadrant, then theta will be negative. That means either 4 by 5 or minus 4 by 5 will be the answer. But if they mention in some cases they will mention like tan theta equal to minus 4 by 3, theta belongs to second quadrant. Okay, if they mention second quadrant means theta you should consider only 4 by 5 in terms of sin theta equal to 4 by 5. If they mention fourth quadrant means you should consider sin theta is equal to minus 4 by 5. As they did not mention anything, so we should consider both the values. Okay, pause the video and note down. Next, question number 5. If tan theta is equal to 1 by 2 and tan phi is equal to 1 by 3, then the value of theta plus alpha phi. Okay, these type of problems easily we can solve by applying a tan. So let tan of theta plus phi you consider. Why? Because they are asking theta plus phi. So we know that tan of theta plus phi formula, tan theta plus tan phi divided by 1 minus tan theta into tan phi. Now we need to substitute, as we know the formula for this, we can substitute the values directly. They are given tan theta and also tan phi. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 divided by 1 minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 3. So if we take LCM, we will get 5 by 6 by, this is 1 minus 1 by 6, which is equal to 5 by 6 by again 6 minus 1, 5 by 6. 5 by 6, 5 by 6 cancel, which is equal to 1. That means here what we got, tan of theta plus phi is equal to 1. That 1 we can also write in terms of tan pi by 4. Then obviously theta plus phi will be equal to pi by 4. Okay. Next question, guys. Solving trigonometric questions are somewhat simple if we remember the formulas regarding that question. Next one. Find the value of tan 75 degrees minus cot 75 degrees. No problem if you did not remember tan 75 degrees value also you can find, that is like tan 75 we can write tan 45 plus 30 degrees again by using previous formula like tan of a plus b formula you can solve this, but in these MCQs you will have very less time, so compulsory you need to remember all these type of values like 75 degrees, okay, 36 degrees, 18 degrees, 72 degrees, okay, and then 15 degrees. At least these values you need to remember. Okay, according to those we know that tan 75 degrees value is 2 plus root 3 minus cot 75 is 2 minus root 3, which will be 2 plus root 3 minus 2 plus root 3 minus 2 plus 2 cancel, it will be 2 root 3. Okay, it is option A. Okay, no need to worry. If you want to solve these type of problems you need to remember the values of those. That's it. Next, see guys, next question. The value of sin 45 plus theta minus cos 45 degrees minus theta. See, these are like compound angles formulas, so this is in the form of sin of a plus b and this is in the form of cos of a minus b. We know sin of a plus b formula sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, so it will be according to this it will become sin a nothing but sin 45 degrees cos theta plus cos 45 degrees sin theta. It will be like reverse. In sin plus means plus only it will be there. Now minus of cos of a minus b. Whenever we have cos sin will come, minus is there means plus, plus means minus. So it will be cos 45 cos theta, okay, and then it is like minus sin 45 sin theta. Okay, if we simplify it will be like sin 45 is nothing but 1 by root 2 cos theta plus cos 45 is nothing but again 1 by root 2 sin theta minus cos 45 is 1 by root 2 cos theta minus into minus plus this is again 1 by root 2 sin theta. Okay, minus into minus plus. Now 1 by root 2 cos theta, 1 by root 2 cos theta, it will be cancelled. So if you take 1 by root 2 common, sin theta plus sin theta will get 2 sin theta. Okay, but here plus will be there. Why? Because if here cos of a minus b means it will become plus, that means minus into plus, it will, this also will become minus, then these two also will be cancelled. Okay, then directly we will get the answer 0. See, simple. You apply the formulas of sin of a plus b minus cos of a minus b. Okay, these all terms will get cancelled, we will get the value 0. Next one, if tan a is equal to 1 by 2 and tan b is equal to 1 by 3, then the value of tan of 2a plus b. See, again we can solve by using that formula, tan of a plus b formula, but here tan of 2a plus b formula I will write, that is tan 2a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan 2a into tan b. Okay, this is like tan of a plus b formula, but instead of a we need to write 2a, but they did not given tan 2a formula. But for that tan 2a also we have formula. What is that? Tan 2a is equal to 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. Remember tan 2a formula. Okay, while solving this, now we will substitute tan a formula, that is 2 into 1 by 2 divided by 1 minus 1 by 2 whole square, nothing but 2 to cancel, 1 by this is 1 minus 1 by 4. So if you take LCM it will be 4 minus 1, 3 by 4. So reciprocal madidre we will get 4 by 3. So that means tan 2a formula is 4 by 3. That 4 by 3 will substitute here. Let us see what we will get. 4 by 3 plus tan b value ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು 1 by 3. So 4 by 3 plus 1 by 3 divided by 1 minus tan 2 ಏನು 4 by 3 into tan b. What is tan b again? 1 by 3. Now we simplify ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು, this is 5 by 3 divided by, if you take LCM what we will get? 1 minus 4 by 9. Simplify ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 5 by 3 ಇದು 9 minus 4 again 5 by 9. 5 cancel. If you, it will be like reverse, 9 by 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದ್ರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 3. ಸೊ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ. ಸಿ ಈ ಥರ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಓದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್. See the value of sin 50 degrees minus sin 70 degrees plus sin 10 degrees is. See here we don't know the values of 50 degrees, 70 degrees and 10 degrees. See in case avaru 15 degrees, 75 degrees, 36, 18 degrees and again 36 degrees ಆ ಥರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಬಟ್ sin 50 degrees, 70 degrees, 10 degrees ನಮಗೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಲೈಕ್ ಸೈನ್ ಸಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಡಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಇಂಟ್ರಡಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಆ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ, ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸತಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನೌ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಸೈನ್ 50 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸೈನ್ 10. ನಾವು ಸೈನ್ 50 degrees ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸೈನ್ 10 degrees minus sine 70 degrees. First I will consider these two, sin C plus sin D formula or sin A plus sin B formula, that is 2 sin A plus B by 2, 50 plus 10 is to 60, 60 by 2 is to 30 degrees into cos of A minus B by 2, 50 minus 10 40, 40 by 2 20 degrees minus sin 70 degrees. Okay, now you see, so this is 2 into sin 30 is nothing but 1 by 2 cos 20 degrees minus sin 70 degrees. So this will be like 2 into 1 by 2 cancel agutte. This is cos 20 degrees minus cos 20 degrees minus sin 70 degrees. And again cos 20 we can write it as cos of 90 minus 70 we can write now. Then cos 90 minus theta will become sin theta, is sin 70 minus sin 70, which is equal to 0. Okay, see friends, these type of problems we can do easily. We should not try to find the values. We need to apply these formulas like sin C plus sin B or sin A plus sin B, sin A minus sin B also you can apply. Okay, if you apply all those, we will get that correct answer. Okay, next question. If alpha plus beta is equal to pi by 4, then the value of 1 plus tan alpha into 1 plus tan beta. See, the concept based question. Based on this given data, we need to find this. So now I will consider this alpha plus beta. Okay, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು tan apply ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ both sides. Tan alpha plus beta is equal to tan pi by 4. We know that tan alpha plus beta value, tan alpha plus tan beta by 1 minus tan alpha into tan beta, which is equal to 1. Now ಇದನ್ನ ನಾನು ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, which will be equal to tan alpha plus tan beta, which is equal to 1 minus tan alpha into tan beta. Okay, now students observe, I will bring this one to left hand side, so it will become tan alpha plus tan beta. This minus will become plus tan alpha tan beta, which is equal to 1. Now, so according to this, what we need is 1 plus tan alpha into 1 plus tan beta. We don't need tan alpha into tan beta like that. So first of all, I will consider tan alpha common from these two. So if I take tan alpha common, here it will be 1, here it will become tan beta, plus here remaining thing is tan beta. So as here we have 1. Now in order to get this 1 plus tan alpha into 1 plus tan beta, I will add 1 on both sides, here and also here. So here if you observe, tan alpha into 1 plus tan beta plus this is tan beta plus 1. Okay, which is equal to, again here it will become 1 plus 1. So idu one term agutte avaga. So now from these two, if I take 1 plus tan beta common, ಈ ಎರಡು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಬೀಟಾ ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 2. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಗಾಟ್ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಬೀಟಾ ಇಂಟು 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಲ್ಫಾ ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 2. ಸೊ ಅವರ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ಅವರು 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಇಂಟು 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಬೀಟಾ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ಅವರು ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬೀಟಾ ಆ ಥರ ಕೊಟ್ಟು 1 minus tan alpha into 1 minus tan beta, like that also they can ask. Okay, by remembering the formulas, solve it, definitely you will get it. Okay, this is question number 10. Next we will go for the question number 11. See, the question number 11 is the value of cos square 48 degrees minus sin square 12 degrees. See, before only we have discussed whenever we have like cos square A minus sin square B. So formula for this. See, now whenever we get cos square and cos square or sin square and sin square, we will get sin formula. But if we have different terms, we will get cos of A plus B into cos of A minus B is the formula for cos square A minus sin square A. See, by using that formula, definitely easily we can solve. Cos of A plus B, nothing but cos of 48 plus 12, okay, into cos of A minus B, 48 minus 12. So cos of 48 plus 12 is cot 60 degrees, and again cos of 48 minus 12, which is nothing but cos, sorry, this is cot 60 into cos 48 minus 12 is 36 degrees. So we know that cos 60 degrees is nothing but 1 by 2, okay, into cos 36 degrees value is root 5 plus 1 by 4. Okay, starting I have given formulas that you remember the values. Cos 36 degrees is equal to root 5 plus 1 by 4. So if you multiply these two, you will get root 5 plus 1 by 8, which is option number 1. Okay, so that's why you need to remember the values of those trigonometric functions. Next question. This is another important model. The value of sin pi by 18 plus sin pi by 9 plus sin 2 pi by 9 plus sin 5 pi by 18. See, ನಮಗೆ ಈ ಥರ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ಗಿಂತ if they given in terms of radians, it will be like somewhat different or difficult to understand. So that's why I am converting those radians in terms of degrees. So if we convert those radians in terms of degrees, it will become sin pi by 18. Pi means we know that 180 by 18 is nothing but 10 degrees plus sin 180 by 9 is nothing but 20 degrees plus sin 2 into 180, this is 20, this is 40 degrees plus sin 5 pi by 18. Pi by 18 is it will be equal to sin 50 degrees. And now, so the question is converted into like this. Now we need to simplify this, so that I will consider sin 10 and sin 15, and again sin 20 and sin 40, and I will apply sin A plus sin B formula. We know that sin A plus sin B formula is 2 sin A plus B by 2. 10 plus 50, 60. 60 by 2 is 30 degrees into cos A minus B by 2. Like sin A minus sin B. Okay, like cos A minus cos B. 50 minus 10 is 40. 40 by 2 is 20 degrees plus. This is about these two. Now regarding these two, okay, sin A plus sin B formula, same formula. This is 2 sin A plus B by 2. 20 plus 40, 60. 60 by 2 is 30 degrees into cos of 40 minus 20 is 10. Okay, 20, sorry, 40 minus 20 is 20 degrees. 20 by 2 is 10 degrees. So it will be equal to 2 sin 30, 2 sin 30 common. So 2 sin 30, what is sin 30 value? 1 by 2. If I take common those two, we will get cos 20 plus cos 10 degrees. Okay, these two if I cancel, what we will get? Cos 20 plus cos 10. Okay, here if you observe, this is cos pi by 9. Pi by 9 is nothing but 20 only, but this is pi by 9. Sin pi by 9 is nothing but sin 20 degrees, but that is not, we did not get that. Next one, this is cos pi by 6. Okay, cos 30 not there. So these two are wrong, these two are wrong, and again combination of these two is not equal to 1. Why? Because cos 0 is 1, okay, not 30 degrees, not cos 20 plus cos 10. Now we can go for this option, but here if you observe, this is in terms of sin. So whenever we want to convert cos in terms of sin, we need to apply 90 minus. So this one 20 we can write 90 minus 70, 10 we can write cos 90 minus 80. So cos 90 minus 70 will be equal to sin 70 plus this is cos 80. So if you observe the options, cos 7 pi by 18, 7 into this is 10 which is equal to sin, this is 7 pi by 18 plus this is cos, this is sin 80 which is equal to sin 4 pi by 9. This value is 80 degrees. Okay, like that we need to convert according to that options. Here we got cos 20 plus cos 10, but that is not given in that option, so we need to convert in terms of options. Okay, pause the video and note down this. Next, coming to question number 13, 1 plus 2 cos square a by 1 plus 3 cot square a. This is a very simple question. See here, I will solve this. 1 plus 2 cos square a, okay, divided by 1 plus 3 cot square a. 3 into cot square a we can write as cos square a by sin square a. Okay, now if we take LCM, it will be, this is 1 plus 2 cos square a divided by LCM will become sin square a plus this is 3 cos square a divided by sin square a. That sin square a I will send to numerator, so it will become sin square a into 1 plus 2 cos square a divided by this is sin square a plus see 3 cos square a ide, 3 cos square a idre I can write as cos square a plus 2 cot square a. Why I have splitted this 3 cos square a as 1 plus 2 cos square a means sin square a plus cos square a will become 1. So it will become sin square a into 1 plus 2 cos square a divided by, so this will become 1 na, so 1 plus 2 cos square a. So ee rendu cut agutte, we will get sin square a. So options nodidre this is option number D. So ee tara ನಾವು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಇನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ we can work out, not like writing all the steps. So by assuming these 3 cos square a will become 1 plus 2, directly this will become 1 plus 2 cos square a, 1 plus 2 cos square a, 1 plus 2 cos square a cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, it will become sin square a. ಆತರ we can minimize the working time also. Next, question number 14, tan a plus cot a is equal to 4, then what about tan power 4a plus cot power 4a? ನೀವು ಅನ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನೋಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ tan power 4a plus cot power 4a ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನನಗೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಬಟ್ by using this condition we can find, but if you apply whole power 4 on both sides we won't get, but slowly we need to do like apply squaring on both sides. What we'll get? Tan a plus cot a whole square, again here 4 square, that means squaring on both sides ಮಾಡಿ. So this is in the form of tan a plus b whole square, it will become tan square a plus cot square a plus 2 tan a 2ab now, that is 2 tan a into cot a, so which is equal to 16. So tan a cot a cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Why? Because cot a we can write as 1 by tan a cancel 2 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So this will become tan square a plus cot square a is equal to, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 16 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ plus 2 ಇದೆ, it will become 14. Tan square a plus cot square a value 14 we got now. So but we need tan power 4a plus cot power 4a. Now again do squaring on both sides ಮಾಡಿ. So here we will get tan square a plus cot square a whole square which is equal to 14 square. So ಇವಾಗ ಮತ್ತೆ a plus b whole square ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ here we will get tan power 4a plus cot power 4a plus here we will get 2 only. See, ನಾನು ಅನ್ಕೊಂತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ. Why? Because here also again you will get 2 into tan square into cot square a, these two will be cancelled, you will get 2 only. So 14 square, this is 196, therefore tan power 4a plus cot power 4a which is equal to 194. Students, ಈ ತರ ತುಂಬಾ different problems they can ask, like tan a plus cot a or sin a plus cos a, okay, based on otherwise secant and cosecant, like that so many problems they may ask according to these conditions. They may ask tan power 4a plus cot power 4a, otherwise they may ask tan power 6a plus cot power 6a. Okay na, like that they may ask. Okay, take care about this. Next, question number 15. Idu very important model. See, whenever they mention like AP and GP, those type of questions we will get in sequence, sequence and series, and also in trigonometry, and also sometimes we will get questions in complex numbers also. Okay, based on AP and GP. Okay, now you see here, they given condition that sin theta, cos theta, tan theta are in GP. Okay, GP, for example, if ABC are in GP, what will take condition? B square equal to AC. Okay na? Now similar to that, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta are in GP, then what we can take condition? So here sin theta, cos theta, tan theta are in GP agidre, B square equal to AC. That means cos square theta is equal to tan theta into sin theta. So we know that tan theta we can write as sin theta by cos theta. Okay, this is into sin theta, this is cos square theta. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ cos theta into cos square theta will become cos cube theta is equal to sin square theta. See students, here we got cos cube theta is equal to sin square theta, but we know that sin square theta is equal to sin square theta we can write as 1 minus cos square theta. So now if I bring that cos square theta here, it will become cos cube theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. But if you observe the equation in terms of power 9 ಇದೆ. Okay, power 9 ಇದೆ, but ನಮ್ಗೆ ಈಗ ಪವರ್ 9 ಬರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದೇನಾಗಬೇಕು, 3 whole square, we should do whole square. That means if I do squaring on both sides to this, so it will become cos cube theta plus cos square theta whole square is equal to 1 square ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1. ಈಗ a plus b whole square ಅಂದ್ರೆ cos power 3 whole square means cos power 9 theta. Okay, plus cos square theta plus okay whole cube. See, okay, we should not do squaring on both sides, we should do cubing on both sides. Why? Because 3 whole square will become 6 only, not 9. Okay, cubing on both sides we need to do. Now we know the value of a plus b whole cube formula namge gottu, that is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Okay, ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ನ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. cos power 9 theta plus cos square theta whole cube is, this is cos power 6 theta plus 3a into b. a ಅಂದರೆ cos cube theta into cos square theta into a plus b ಅಂದರೆ cos cube theta plus cos square theta which is equal to 1. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಇದು cos power 9 theta plus cos power 6 theta plus, see cos cube into cos square is 3 cos power 5 theta. ಇವಾಗ ಇದು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ cos cube theta plus cos square theta, see already here we got which is equal to 1. ಸೊ ಇದು ಇಂಟು 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ which is equal to 1. ಸೊ ಆ 1 ಈ ಕಡೆ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ತೊಗೊಂಬಂದಿದ್ರೆ cos power 9 theta plus cos power 6 theta plus 3 cos power 5 theta minus 1 which is equal to 0 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಸಿ ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ 0 ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಸಿ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಈಸ್ sin theta, cos theta, tan theta are in GP. GP ಅಂದರೆ here we can take condition b square equal to AC. Why we will take this one means if you multiply those we should get cos power 9 theta, cos power 6 theta and 3 cos power 5 theta minus 1 which should be we need to find, so that we got equal to 0. Okay, see that solution. Next, question number 16. If 1 plus sin x plus sin square x plus so on to infinity, that value given, that is 4 plus 2 root 3. See, so on infinity ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಅದು ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಸಿರೀಸ್ ಇನ್ಫಿನಿಟಿ ಸಿರೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಇನ್ಫಿನಿಟಿ ಸಿರೀಸಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಎ ಪಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆನಾ ಜಿ ಪಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆನಾ ನಾವು ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಅನಲೈಸ್. See, if you observe, this is in GP. Why? Because here we are getting common ratio, that is sin x. common ratio sin x. That means first term 1, common ratio r value sin x. Here you can observe ಅವರು sum of infinity terms ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. That means s infinity in gp. We know that Sn is equal to nothing but S infinity is equal to a by 1 minus r formula. Okay, a by 1 minus r. A we got 1, r we got sin x. So this will become 1 by 1 minus r. This is 1 minus sin x. That sum of the series only they have given 4 plus 2 root 3. So that means it will become 4 plus 2 root 3. Now I will reciprocal this. It will become 1 minus sin x is equal to 1 by 4 plus 2 root 3. See, ಈ ಥರ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದರೆ we need to do rationalize 4 minus 2 root 3 by 4 minus 2 root 3. ಸೊ ಈಗ ನಾವು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ 1 minus sin x is equal to 4 minus 2 root 3 by a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. a square ಅಂದರೆ 4 square 16 minus b square ಅಂದರೆ 4 3 ಇದು 12 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 1 minus sin x is equal to 4 minus 2 root 3 by 16 minus 12 4. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ 1 minus sin x is equal to 4 by 4 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮೈನಸ್ 2 root 3 by 4 root 3 by 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, 2 1s are 2 2s. ನಾವು ಬೋತ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ 1 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. sin x is equal to root 3 by 2 ಬಂದಿದೆ. Now what they are asking is then what is about x? If sin x equal to root 3 by 2, then sin x is equal to sin pi by 3. Okay, that means x is equal to pi by 3. See that option B. Okay, ಈ ಥರ infinity series if they given means we need to search whether it is in AP or GP. Okay, maximum times it will be in GP, but once we need to check that common ratio will be there or not. According to that, S infinity value we know that is a by 1 minus r. By using that we can find the value of x. Okay, this is about question number 16. Next we will go for question number 17. If tan theta is equal to cos 12 degrees plus sin 12 degrees divided by cos 12 degrees minus sin 12 degrees. See, ಈ ಥರ ತುಂಬ ಮಾಡಲ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವೆ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. As the formula we can convert in terms of tan only. Okay, see here, tan theta is equal to, see for this I will divide with cos 12 degrees to both, okay, numerator and also denominator. See cos 12 by cos 12 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ sin 12 by cos 12 tan 12 degrees ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ cos 12 by cos 12 1 minus sin 12 by cos 12 is tan 12. ಈಗ ನಾವು 1 we can write it as tan pi by 4 plus tan 12 degrees divided by 1 minus tan pi by 4 into tan 12 degrees. Here we can write tan pi by 4 or otherwise 45 also we can write. Okay, now this is in the form of tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b, right? So formula is tan of a plus b. Okay, tan of a plus b. What is a here? Pi by 4, nothing but 45 degrees plus 12 degrees. Okay, easily we got here the tan theta here we got is 57 degrees. That means theta is equal to 57 degrees. Okay, here you can observe that they are asking in terms of tan. Then how we will get tan? If we divide by cos, here clearly we will get tan. So these type of questions, so many are there, you can practice all those. Okay, you will get those questions in based on these models. Next, question number 18. This is another important model. Tan theta plus tan 4 theta plus tan 7 theta is equal to tan theta into tan 4 theta into tan 7 theta. See, ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ theta 4 theta 7 theta ಇದೆ. On RHS side also theta 4 theta and 7 theta ಇದೆ. So in this case we can consider a plus b plus c is equal to pi. Okay, a plus b plus c is equal to pi. Why we need to take like that also I will tell. First I am telling this will we can write it as a plus b plus c is equal to pi. Here a means first angle, second angle, third angle. What is first one? Theta plus 4 theta plus 7 theta is equal to pi. So theta plus 4 theta is 5 theta, 5 theta plus 7 theta is 12 theta is equal to pi. That means theta is equal to pi by 12, which is option C. But why we should take a plus b plus c is equal to pi means, for example, this condition only I will take. If I write a plus b is equal to pi minus c, we can write. Okay. Now, if we apply tan on both sides, here we will get tan of a plus b, which is equal to tan of pi minus c. We know that tan of a plus b is equal to tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a into tan b, which is equal to tan pi minus, that means 180 minus, in second quadrant tan negative, that means it will become minus tan c. Okay, if you simplify this, we will get this equation, nothing but tan a plus tan b plus tan c is equal to tan a into tan b into tan c. Okay, remember this. Tan x is equal to cos 2x minus 1, then x is equal to, they are asking. See, this question we can solve in two types. One is by using substitution also we can do, otherwise by simplification also we can do. We know that tan x we can write as sin x by cos x, which is equal to cos 2x minus 1. See, we know that cos 2x formulas we have like 2 cos square x minus 1 or 1 minus 2 sin square x, but we need to use the formulas according to that given data. Here we have minus 1, so I will consider plus 1, so we can cancel those two. So 1 minus 2 sin square x minus 1, minus 1 plus 1 cancel, this is sin x by cos x is equal to minus 2 sin square x. Okay, now this will be like, see, cos x you multiply here, it will become sin x is equal to minus 2 sin square x into cos x. Now bring that to left hand side, it will become sin x plus 2 sin square x into cos x, which is equal to 0. If you bring that left hand side, it will become 0 only, right? Now from these two, if I take sin x common, it will be 1 plus 2 sin x into cos x, which is equal to 0. That means here this one we can write as sin x equal to 0, or okay, sin x equal to 0, or this is 1 plus 2 sin x cos x andre sin 2x is equal to 0. That means sin 2x is equal to minus 1. Sin 2x minus 1 andre negative angle agbeku, but that negative angles they did not given, so that's why we should consider this as x equal to 0. And sin x equal to 0 andre enu, x equal to 0 anta. So like that also we can solve otherwise. Okay, see here by substitution andre options angles na we need to substitute. First option nodi 0 substitute ಮಾಡಿ tan 0 ಎಷ್ಟು, tan 0 0, ಅದೇ LHS. RHS ನೋಡಿ cos 2 into 0, cos 2 into 0 cos 0, cos 0 value 1, 1 minus 1 0. Okay, directly we can solve. Like that also, whenever we are finding the values of x, options also we can substitute, otherwise procedure na ನಾವು simplify ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ನಿಮಗೆ based on that problem ಏದು ಈಸಿ ಅನ್ಸಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆನಾ. Now last question for this session. If y is equal to, ಇದು one of the important model. If y is equal to cos square theta plus secant square theta, and where theta not equal to 0, okay, where theta not equal to 0, then we need to find the values of y, whether that is less than 2 or greater than or equal to, or less than or equal to, or greater than 2. Okay, we need to find. See here. Okay, now I will consider y, okay, which is equal to this cos square theta plus secant square theta. See here, if you observe, I will add and subtract 2 for this. See, cos square theta plus secant square theta, I will add and subtract 2, minus 2 and plus 2. Okay na. Why I am adding 2 and subtracting 2 means cos square theta plus secant square theta minus 2 into, I can write this as cos square theta into secant square theta plus 2. ಅಂದರೆ ಈ minus 2ನ we can write as cos square into secant square. Why? Because secant square ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು 1 by cos square. 1 by cos square cancel ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ 2a ಬರುತ್ತೆ. But if you observe this term, it is in the form of a square plus b square minus 2ab, nothing but a plus b whole square. So cos square theta plus okay, this is cos theta plus secant theta whole square, this is plus 2. But here if you observe, this is whole square. Whole square andre enu, whatever it may be, always it will be positive, and again plus 2. But idu yavaga minimum value enu idu when theta is equal to 0, okay na. But theta not equal to 0 they are given, that means this will be always, y is always greater than 2. It will be not greater than or equal to 2, it will be only greater than 2. Why it is not greater than or equal to 2 means, for example, if theta is equal to 0, okay na, if theta equal to 0, if you check cos, okay, not like that, okay, this is a cos theta minus secant theta whole square. Why? Because a square plus b square minus 2ab na. Okay, once again I will write. So this will be equal to cos theta minus secant theta whole square plus 2. As it is whole square, it is always greater than 0 only, plus 2. So it will be equal to y greater than 2. Why it is y greater than 2 means, they are telling theta not equal to 0. Okay, for example, if it is equal to 0, cos theta value is 1 minus secant theta value 1. 1 minus 1 0. 0 square plus 2. Okay, so sometimes it will be equal to 2 only. But as it is not equal to 0, so it will be only greater than 2. It won't become equal to 2. Only theta equal to 0, whenever it is theta equal to 0, then only it will become y equal to 2. But theta not equal to 0, so it is not equal to 2, it is always greater than 2. Okay, think carefully. Okay, once again you check all the problems and revise the concept and practice the questions given. In tomorrow's session, we will solve some of the shortcut tricks for trigonometric questions. Until then, practice well, take care, bye bye.